All right, YouTube, going to do a video here with a Kwikset Smart Key. I've been meaning to do this video for a couple of years now. Just this morning, finally going to actually do it. It's basically just making a key to a Kwikset cylinder. If you don't have a key, reasons for this: if you've got a house with a whole bunch of Kwikset locks on it that you need to rekey in their Smart Key, you can make a key to one of them, and then you can use that to rekey the rest of the house without having to pull all the locks off and reset them. So it's pretty much why you would do this. So basically, I got one lock here with a key already made to it. I'm just going to show you what we're basically doing here. So with the top of the cylinder here, these little holes, and you can actually see the sliders way down in there. Now, when you actually put the correct key in there, basically what it does is it lifts all these sliders to basically the equivalent of the shear line. And you can see they're just basically just right below this little lip here, and that's where you want them all at. So using space and depth keys, you can actually do that with a cylinder, and you can figure out what the bitting is and then code cut a key to it. So that's what we're going to do. So this one here, I'm going to just start with number 1, and I'm going to put it in, and see if we can get the focus here. All right, there we go. And it helps just to put a little bit of clockwise tension on it, just so you can kind of see the edge of the little cylinder inside here. So you can see the little lip that's right here when I'm pointing at. And we'll notice here 1, 3, 4, and 5 are all raised way up. Number 2, though, is right where we want it. So number 2 is going to be a 1 cut. So I'm going to just write that down. And we'll move on to depth key number 2. And we'll just take a look here. And so 1, 3, 4, and 5 are very obviously way too high. So we will go to key number 3. And 5 looks close, but notice it's still a little bit above that lip. So it looks like we have no number 3, so we'll go to a 4. All right, and number 4 we see on 5. 5 is now right where we want it. So 5 is going to be a 4. And then if we look here at number 1 and number 3, they're close, but they're not quite there. So we'll just move on to the next key, which is number 5. And we will notice now that numbers 1 and 3 are now right where we want them. So 1 is a 5 and 3 is a 5, and that's going to make number 4 a 6, just process of elimination, because that's the last one we got here. But we'll go ahead and we'll show you anyway. All right, so now we put this number 6 depth key in and we take a look. Number 4 is now right where we want it, so that makes our bitting 51564. And I'm just going to run over to the Blitz machine real quick and cut a key, and we'll come back and we'll test it out, make sure it works. All right, so there's our key, 51564, and we'll test it out and see that it works perfectly. And we'll look at it here. All of our sliders are right where we need them. Get this stupid camera to focus here. Shouldn't call the camera stupid. It's probably a lot smarter than I am actually. But all right, just notice here each of the sliders. My pointing pick at. Now each one is right where we want it, and notice the key turns. And so that is how you make a key to a Kwikset Smart Key cylinder if you don't have a key. So questions or comments, please put them in the comments. Until next time, we will talk to everybody later.